Alright guys, so we are trying some of the meals from this past weekend. We like to obviously test them throughout the week. It's different from when you actually make it live. We have to heat it up and see if it's actually the product that we're giving out is up to our standards. So I'm here with the man of the hour here, our head chef, and Jessica, our dietitian.
Hello.
So we're just going to try this. This is the smoky spiced grill tri-tips. I'm going to try a couple pieces, see what I think.
Flavor's good.
I think flavor's good too.
Could cook a little less. It's going for medium rare, but it's obviously all the way cooked through.
I think it's cooked right. It has good flavor too.
Yeah, there's good smokiness to the beef.
Great flavor.
Yeah, I know so too. How'd you cook that? Like, how'd you get the smoky flavor with it?
I'm using a mesquite powder as part of the rub,
Right.
and it's got a really nice smoke to it.
Is it more like that vinaigrette bean?
Fried beans.
Beans cooked perfectly.
Yeah. Would you guys change anything about this one?
This needs black beans, but I didn't.
Guys, what do you think? Would you change anything about this one?
I think the meat might be a little cooked too much.
Yep.
Cooked too much?
It's a little chewy.
What do you think? Same thing?
I agree.
Let me try the green beans. The green beans are perfect.
Yeah, I'm really pleased with the way they came out. Still have a little bit of
Alright. It's just approved.